working on the car like I promised. And we're gonna be switching one little part in here. See how that tray is open? Well, got a replacement part, 20 bucks. It's got a little cubby. And today, I'll show you how to do it. All right, things you need. Replacement part. You need a Torque TX20 bit, so you can actually get the bolts undone. Some gloves and some removal tools. Now, I don't have an actual removal tool, but I've removed some things before in this car, and these old cards work. Put these gloves on. All right, we're ready. Let's move these things over. Put that to the side. And now, let's see what we can do here. Stick it. Now there's clips around the gear stick edge. And there we go. That's popped. It's one side. See how that's lifted up there? And there's our whole assembly. Sweet. Okay. Now, it's pretty hard to show, but there's one Torx bolt there and one Torx bolt here. Now you gotta undo those. So, it says a TX20, or T20, sorry. Let's see if that fits. Left. There we go. Now it looks like there are clips on the bottom here. I don't know if they're gonna fall out, hopefully not. Alright, clips didn't fall out. Here's bolt one. Now, you should really have a place to keep these, but I'm just gonna put these in my little handy dandy tray. Now let's get the other side here. Two. Now, you can look at your part, replacement part, and see what's going on. So you see, there's the two holes for the T20. There are the holes there. So, you can assume where it's going. Now, let me see if I can unbolt this real quick. There's a tab, which there is. Let me unclip this. There we go. Now that's gonna move a little easier. If we move out of the way. Now, you can lift that trim piece up, and there's a little plug. Alright, so I moved the gear lever back, because I figured that would get in the way. So now, hopefully we have a little more room to work with this little guy. It's been a pain to take out. Pulls out. Woo! So there's that. Notice how I checked my part, give me hints about where to unplug. So now, just onto this TCS switch, which stands for traction control. In case you didn't know. Don't have any hints. Oh, come on, we're almost out. You just do not want to release, do you? Alright, got the button out. It's cool to see how that works. Once you release the button, this wants to slide out. I know it does. It's just this little tab. Oh my god, it's out. Sick. Okay, so now that's out. You can feed this wire through. Now your tray is out. Notice how there's the hole here. So this should merely slide into place, and it does. So now, just gotta plug your things in. So, I'm gonna try to fish this in best I can. That pops in. That pops in. That mounts up. And now, just got to reassemble. There we go. Not going anywhere. Got to plug our shifter back in. Snaps into place. Turn the car neutral. That pops into place. Put back in, and you're done. That is a swap. So we went from this, where people can see your items, like if you leave your wallet in there, to something a little more private and a little bit more clean. Just that OEM Plus look. This was taken from a Jetta Sportwagon, and now it's in a Golf.